Looking for a true classic? Check out this 1984 Toyota pickup with only 45,000 miles and the legendary 22R engine, a rare find that's built to last and only increasing in value. This well-maintained truck drives like a dream and is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. You can also upgrade the warranty at a discounted rate and add a 5-year maintenance plan for an additional cost. As always, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO warranty and service plan. Don't miss out on this legendary Toyota pickup. Contact us today to schedule your test drive.